How to correctly buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So first thing you want to do is open your Trust Wallet and navigate to the buy button. So just go to your Trust Wallet app and then tap the buy button, which is usually located on the main screen. Then select the Bitcoin option. So search for Bitcoin or the BTC and select it as a cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Then choose the fiat currency and the payment method. So select your preferred fiat currency like USD, Euro, or PHP, and then choose your payment method like your debit card, credit card, bank transfers, and other options like e-wallets. Then you want to enter the purchase details, so specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the amount of fiat currency you want to spend. Then select the third-party provider. So Trust Wallet partners with various third-party providers to facilitate these transactions. You can choose a provider that you trust and that offers your preferred payment method. Then you want to complete the transaction. So follow the prompts to complete the transaction, which may include verifying your identity through a Know Your Customer process with the chosen provider. Then lastly, you want to confirm it. So once the transaction is complete, the purchased Bitcoin will be credited to your Trust Wallet account. So take note of these. You might want to take note of the fees, some security, the payment methods, long-term storage, and local regulations. And that's how you correctly buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet.